Here is a quick review of these vacuum storage bags. And so I'm gonna kind of just show you how they work and the benefits of them. So these are the jumbo bags. I got these ones. These ones are sized to fit full. It shows you here pillow and like queen size comforter and everything. I got these mostly to be able to store lots of blankets and pillows and things like that. So I've got one opened up here and you can see that it's quite large. Okay, so they do come in all different kinds, all different sizes if you need smaller ones for even for traveling and packing your suitcase. That's probably gonna be the next thing that I purchased is gonna be smaller ones for traveling. My husband travels for work a lot and so they're gonna be super helpful for him. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pack, I've got a couple nice fluffy blankets here and a pillow. I'm just gonna basically take these and fold them up. So as you are packing your bag, what you're gonna do is just open the end here, right? And then you're gonna wanna make sure that when you do close that, so it's kind of like a Ziploc bag idea. So you're gonna open that right up. And then you're gonna lay all of your things in there. So I'm just gonna move this and kind of angle it so you can see what I'm doing. So I'm gonna lay my blankets in. Obviously, the flatter you can get them, the better it's going to be for storing. Move it to the side. Okay, I have the second one here. So really easy to use. Obviously, you could put them in together as well instead of one at a time. It'll also be easier. Okay, and then I'm just gonna kind of throw a pillow in there just to show you. Okay, so now that it's all packed in here, what you want to do, so it says do not, it tells you, it has all the instructions right on the bag. So super easy to use. Do not fill beyond this line. You're gonna want everything packed in there. Okay, then you're just gonna basically, you don't have to worry about getting any of the air out because that's what the vacuum is gonna do. So then you're gonna go back and forth over this zipper seal a couple times. It actually comes with a little zipper seal for each of the bags if you need help with getting it on. So you basically slide that on the end and you're gonna zipper it, squeezing it nice and tight to make sure it's closed. All right, so the next thing you've got is your vacuum that is plugged in. And what you do is you unscrew this orange cap. Okay, and then the vacuum nozzle goes right over top of that. Pull my vacuum closer, and we're gonna turn it on and just watch it sucking the air out. Then you basically are just going to screw this cap back on and you have your vacuum sealed bag. So if you think about what this looked like before, how poofy it was, that's going to take up a lot of space. You're going to need a lot of Rubbermaid tubs to store blankets, to store things like this. This just vacuum seals it, sucks all the air out of it, keeps it nice and flat. You can pile multiple things on here. And then basically when you're ready to open it back up again, you can just pull the end open and it's going to allow the air to come back in and allow everything to bounce back to its normal size. You're going to want to, allow some time for wrinkles and things depending on what it is you're packing in there. But overall, these are going to help with saving a lot of space for storing, for traveling. Get yourself a set of these bags.